Hello and welcome to another edition of Fraser Focus. I'm Dean Atwell.
And I'm Leah Bolton. An excellent show for you guys again this week. We check into Innovation Boulevard. They've got an update on the health and technology sector, and we celebrate National Aboriginal Day.
Then we take you into Abbotsford to meet the first ever Indian-born basketball player to ever be drafted into the NBA. He's really tall here.
He's like double my size, Dean, not even tall. And it's festival season, so we've got the Sounds of Summer.
The Sounds of Summer is a concert series presented by Surrey Parks, and there's 13 concerts this summer. And it used to be a ticketed event, but we decided that to encourage more participation and to expand the program, we started to do it for free. And this year we're expanding the program as well to have afternoon concerts.
Is that so more kids and families can get involved?
More kids and families, and also older adults that often are using our park spaces during the daytime.
You know this band here?
I do, Deanna Knight. Fabulous. We just love them. We saw them last year in this summer series, followed around through the summer. Fantastic.
I'm bringing you the Sounds of Summer. This is not your first rodeo here.
No, we've done this before. Yes. And here comes my favorite song.
What is it?
All about that bass.
Oh, come on, sing it.
All about that bass, about that bass.
I'm all about the bass, no trouble. I'm all about the boom.
A 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3.
Will you dance, oh, will you dance, oh, will you dance with me?
We both grew up in Surrey, but every time we do one of these bigger shows in Surrey, we always get a good crowd out, and it's always a fun time.
So will you dance, oh, will you dance with me?
Is this the first year you guys are doing Sounds of Summer?
Yeah, this will be the first time we're there. We do a lot of events for the city of Surrey, but this will be the first time we're at this particular event. A lot of our friends are playing at it too on various nights.
We started off with Celtic, then we visited the country for a bit.
Oh wow, that's a big difference. Yes, I love it. Oh wait.
Good dance.
What's the best part for you?
The best part for me is just it's a free concert.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with free.
You can't go wrong with free, and it's free, and the musicians are all top quality entertainers, and yeah, so come on out and have some fun. Bring your kids. It's a blast.
I have no life to bother my life, no lover to prove them true. But all day long I laugh with a song and paddle my own canoe.
When are you guys playing for Sounds of Summer?
July 26th, right here where we're standing right now at 6:30. Oh, thank you.
Well, here in Maple Ridge, we're talking to the Golden Ears Jazz Band, who will be at Holland Park performing on August the 16th.
Don't you know each cloud contains?
Golden Ears Jazz Band consists of about 18 musicians that just have a love for jazz music.
All over the town.
We've got saxophones, trumpets, trombones, bass, guitar, keyboard, drums, just a good jazz swing band.
The band is a group of community members who get together every week just for a love of jazz.
When you hear it thunder, don't run under a tree.
Part of being in the performance band, I think, is we need the audience. We need to play for an audience as much as we need to practice our music.
Puts the pressure on.
Puts the pressure on?
Yeah.
You like being under pressure?
Not necessarily, but it makes us have a goal that we're working towards all the time. Since I've been here, I guess they've been booked 4 times, but we've gotten rained out the last 2. So we're hoping that because it's a couple weeks earlier, we'll have good weather and it'll be fine and we won't get rained out.
On runs till August 30th. We're going to have our wind-up down at Crescent Beach. We're going to have a Neil Young Live Rush tribute band playing there. So, and you can get all the information around the event at visiting the City of Surrey's website, surrey.ca, and search Sounds of Summer, and the entire calendar will come up.
Sounds of Summer, Dean, it can happen at any of the parks here in Surrey.
The festivities certainly bring the community together. Coming up, we learn more about Innovation Boulevard in Surrey.
We'll be right back.